Before we dive into the calculations of both DPMO and basis points, let me give you a quick background on their application environments. For DPMO, we have large-scale environments with small-scale metrics, while for basis points, we have medium-scale environments with moderate-scale metrics. For areas of application, we have the manufacturing, retail, and logistics industries for DPMO, while we could say we have central banks, the finance space, or the stock market for basis points. Examples could be that we want 10 customers per million unsatisfied at most with DPMO, or 3.4 safety failures in car tires at most. While for basis points, we could say that a stock is decreasing by 0.34% or 34 BPS, or the central bank might have increased interest rates by 75 basis points in a given country. Now, to go along with the calculation, we can have first the single defect case, which means that we have one category of defect, and this means with an e-commerce store, for example, that we would have 15 unsatisfied customers with a total of 143,976 of total customers, and that would give us a DPMO of 104.18, which is too high for the example given before, though we wanted only 10 per million, and we have 104.2 now. Now, with the multiple defect case, things get a little bit more complicated. Here we could look at a car manufacturer who wants to analyze the amount of defects per car and wants to limit them at a certain maximum. Here we could say that we have 5 possible defects, which would be tires, the chassis, windows, rims, and bumpers, for example. We would have a total of 962 cars produced, and of these 962, we would have 45 with defects. Then the calculation would be as follows, and we would arrive at a DPMO of 9,355.51, which is pretty high actually. And in reality, no car manufacturer want to have a number this high, and they would instead try to focus to keep this number as low as possible, maybe around 10 DPMO, maybe 20, but as low as reasonably possible. Now for basis points, we could have two possible calculations or conversions if you may. We could convert from percentage to basis points, which would create the calculation as 0.79% would be 79 basis points, or 1% would be 100 basis points, for example. While on the other side, we could have basis points to percentage. 150 basis points would be 1.5%, or 31 basis points would be 0.31%. Finishing up, I would like to thank you all for watching, and if you liked what you saw and want me to do an Excel automation of these calculations in the future, please leave a comment and like and let me know. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye bye.